Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Faculty. Faculty means inherent mental or physical power. For example, her critical faculties. Her critical faculties. Synonyms: power, capability, capacity.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The disability can cover physical, sensory, or mental faculties. Now, repeat after me. The disability can cover physical, sensory, or mental faculties. The second exempli. Power tools should only be used when your mental and physical faculties are at their best. Now, repeat after me. Power tools should only be used when your mental and physical faculties are at their best. The third exempli. There is a complex interplay among our mental faculties including perception, imagination, and intellect or judgment. Now, repeat after me. There is a complex interplay among our mental faculties including perception, imagination, and intellect or judgment.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Scraunched is the longest English word with one syllable, along with the archaic word, strengthened. Scraunch is the sound your car makes on gravel.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.